How to use CapCut templates in 2026 and create viral videos faster step by step. Hey guys, in this video, I'll teach you how to use CapCut templates in 2026 and create viral video faster step by step. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap the templates button. This section shows trending video templates that many creators use for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Short. Now scroll through the template page. You will see different categories and viral editing styles. Choose the template you want to use by tapping on the preview video. Next, press the Use Template button. CapCut will now ask you to select photos or video clips from your gallery. Choose the clips you want to add to your video. Try to pick clear and high quality clips because better visual usually help videos perform better online. After selecting your clips, CapCut will automatically place them into the template. The app will sync your clips with music, transition, and effects automatically. Now preview the video by pressing the play button. If you want to make changes, you can edit text, filters, or effects directly inside the project. When your video is ready, tap the blue export button at the right corner. Wait for the video to finish exporting, then upload it to Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Short. My short tip is use trending templates with popular music because they can help your video reach more people faster. So there you go guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.